Hey there! I used the same prompt to create an image on two different platforms, Whisk AI, which is totally free and unlimited, and Leonardo AI, which has limited credits and paid plans. First, I started with Leonardo AI. As you probably know, Leonardo gives you 150 credits every day, and most of the important features aren't available in the free version. To unlock those, you need a subscription. But for this comparison, we're keeping things fair. No special paid features on either platform. Alright, let's dive in and see how Leonardo performs. I click on image generation, and here we are. One thing to note, you can't delete the images you generate unless you have a paid plan. Yes, you actually have to buy a subscription just to delete your own images. Haha. Okay. I'm checking all the settings to make sure we're getting the best possible results from the free version. In this section, I can't reduce the number of image outputs. Leonardo always generates 4 images at once. Fine. I'll paste our prompt right here and click Generate. Let's wait for a moment. And voila, we've got some nice results. Or do we? Maybe not so fast, haha, because next we have another platform that's completely free and offers some surprising advantages. Let's move over to Whisk AI. Search for Whisk AI and you'll land on the labs.google page. You'll also notice other fantastic tools there, most of them paid, but honestly at a lower cost compared to other platforms. If you'd like to see how those tools work, drop a comment below. Now, let's get into Whisk, the real star of today's video. Since I've logged in before, I'm taken straight to the main page. But if you're new, you'll see a quick Gmail login step. Super easy. Once you're in, there are lots of options to fine-tune your results. Here's a quick overview. The subject block. You can type your prompt here or upload an image. The AI will remember your subject for future generations. Perfect if you want the same character in different scenes. The scene block. You can upload an image here to set the background. The style block. This is where you describe how the character should look. Clothing, vibe, art style, and so on. And guess what? All these features are completely free, even deleting images. Now, without using any of those fancy extras, let's paste in the same prompt we used earlier and see what happens. Wow, that's an amazing result for a free platform. There's also a feature called Refine Mode. This lets you make small edits just by typing quick prompts. For example, I can say, add a big umbrella on that table. Hit generate, and there it is, more beautiful than before. I can even add a cat, just like that. When it comes to AI image generation, good prompting is key. The clearer your ideas, the better the AI understands what you want. Now let's compare the results side by side. Here are the first 4 images from Leonardo AI. They look decent, but take a closer look. The eyes aren't very sharp, and some hand positions feel awkward. This one seems fine, until you zoom in and notice the face looks like there's another one merged in. There even seems to be an extra person. Or maybe it's her reflection gone wrong. Either way, something's off. Now check out the image from Whisk AI. Clean background, natural looking characters, and overall the output feels much more polished. Across every image generated by Whisk, the character and background quality are consistently impressive. Even in the mirror details, totally spot on. So here's my conclusion. If you're using Leonardo's paid version, you can absolutely create outstanding, professional images. But if you want a free tool that still gives brilliant results, Whisk AI is easily one of the best options out there.